Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Get to Grips with video. In this video, we will show you how to customize and select applications for your MS Office installation. If you use Microsoft 365 for the web or mobile, you can skip this video. First, a little recap from our previous video. To install Microsoft Office, we need to download and run the Office Deployment Tool, so make sure to check our video on how to install Office if you haven't seen it already. This video focuses on customizing the installation process. If you don't want to install all the applications that come with Office, so for example you only want to install Word and Excel and PowerPoint, and you don't want to install Publisher, then this is the video to watch. To customize the installation, we use the Office Customization Tool. To do that, we go to our browser and search for Office Customization Tool on our favorite search engine and visit the Office Customization Tool page. You can also find a direct link in the video description. In the Products and Releases section, we first select which architecture our device has. Next, under Office Suite subsection, we select which Office suite we would like to install. We will select Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise. For more info, make sure to check the link in the video description concerning the different Office suites that Microsoft offers. We also want to select Visio Plan 2 and Project Professional 2021 Volume License. Visio and Microsoft Project are not included in Office suites, but are sold as separate products. That's why we should select them separately. We will also select Language Pack under Additional Products. Language packs include additional display, help, and proofing tools, while Office 365 Access Runtime is a free and simplified version of Microsoft Access, enabling users to run Access databases without the need to buy it. When it comes to the Update Channel subsection, it is recommended to keep the default selection. This section sets up the way updates are delivered. Selecting current channel means that we receive the latest updates and often within a month of release. Selecting Monthly Enterprise Channel means that updates are delivered monthly and have undergone more testing than the current channel. Selecting Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel means that updates are delivered twice a year. Under Apps, we select which applications we would like to install. When it comes to features, the option to have a background service for Microsoft Search in Bing means that it will be easier to retrieve info using Office applications by searching Bing. In the Language section, we select which languages to be included in our Office installation. In the Installation section, we get to choose whether to download the required files from a Content Delivery Network CDN, or whether the files already exist on a local source, and whether the user sees the installation process or not, and whether the installation process shuts down other applications running on your computer. It is recommended to keep the default selection. The Update and Upgrade section allow us to select whether we want to uninstall existing applications once we upgrade our products, and whether languages selected in the Language section should also be installed for existing applications, and whether applications should automatically upgrade to the architecture selected in the Architecture subsection. The Licensing and Activation section allows you to set up which licensing method you prefer. For product keys, you can choose KMS, which means Key Management Service, or MAC, which means Multiple Activation Key. The difference between the two is that KMS allows organizations to activate systems within their own network, while MAC activates systems on a one-time basis using Microsoft-hosted activation services. Selecting KMS is often preferred. You can also select the licensing mode under Product Activation. In User-Based mode, the license is carried within the user's profile. In Shared Computer mode, Microsoft 365 is installed on a single computer shared by multiple users, and each user signs in with their own account. The Device-Based mode is aimed to help enterprises managing having Microsoft 365 on devices shared by many users. In this case, user-level activation and Microsoft Entra accounts, which are used for identity and access management, are not needed. Most users will opt for the User-Based mode. This section also allows you to select whether the license terms are automatically accepted or not. The General section allows you to add the name of your organization so that it is added to every document you create with Office. It is recommended not to input anything in this section. The Application Preferences section is used for more advanced customization of the applications, and it is recommended not to change anything here unless it is required from you by your organization. Once we finish selecting the different deployment settings, we click on Export, and an XML file will be downloaded. This XML configuration file will be used to install Office as we have shown in our previous video. Just a quick recap. To install Office, we extract the Office deployment tool that we have installed. Next, we copy the extracted files and the downloaded XML file to a new folder. We open PowerShell and run the following command, followed by the file name of our downloaded XML file. Finally, we wait for the installation process to finish. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will kickstart our Microsoft Word course with an overview of the course, so make sure to check our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you then.